Now the problem is this, whether the Manani जो है ना, our honorable Prime Minister would be doing that. So he would not be doing that unless जो है he feels कि by doing so it is to their advantage, right?
Yes.
So what I am saying is, when I am capable of giving you 20 times more money, so you need not to really tax your public.
Yes.
Right?
You are absolutely right. Yes.
So
18% of this thing is unnecessary payment, which is a burden to any individual. That is why the hidden taxes and all this corruption, everything is rising to the sky. So these people are not understanding.
Basically, let me little elaborate, and then we will more talk about the what I am expecting from you.
Yes.
And
Sir, I also want to add one thing. Since you have come up with so much of wonderful strategy and the implementation in the upcoming days, why don't we make the platform by ourselves, wherein it is very easy for the farmers also to put in their resources there. That particular thing.
Basically, you are very right. We would not be in position to feel impact, right? Since we will be hitting lot many vested interest, they will conspire and file the false FIR against you, and you and me might land in jail.
Okay.
Because they are earning so much of the money now. Imagine a situation that people who are making milk from the urea, how much money they are getting?
You are absolutely right. And once we put the full stop,
basically in this system, they will drive everybody. False FIR will be registered against you. N number of the people, including scientists, will give the false evidence against you, and you will land in jail.
Yes, you are right. Because you have seen all these
what I have developed the two-pronged strategy. One pronged strategy ki whatever the organizations are around, let them continue to do whatever they are doing at the present, right?
Okay.
We may not go on implementation of anything which we are suggesting. We should only do that. We should add them under our scheme of joining people, right? So what we say, I will just explain the dynamics of it, right? Let's imagine we have to basically add the people, we have to join the people. So let's presume that this exercise has started today. It has happened today only.
Okay.
Right? So if I have enlightened 9 more people like Shilpa plus 8 more, and I could really educate them, and I could make them to take the pledge, then whether today we will become the 1 plus 9, 10 people?
Yes.
हो जाएंगे?
Yes, absolutely.
All 10 people there have taken a pledge that they will be adding 10 people at their end from their own family, from their own relative, from their own friends, from their own neighbors, from their own young colleagues and senior citizens, and from the organization they are associated with.
Yes.
Our expectation from them to 10 people only for 9 days, all put together 90 people. That is the pledge.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
If the people are committed and has taken a pledge, and they will in turn they will get the 21 objectives, including a healthy, wealthy, prosperous country where everybody would be employed, and the lowest person who will be earning, or family which do not have any knowledge, which do not have any skill set, even that family will be earning 2 lakh rupees worth of the purchasing power by 2029. Right? So basically we are eyeing on the end result. We are not only means we are talking of the end result also. So for getting that result, if you need not to spend a single penny, you need not to take any procession, you need not to burn any effigy, you need not to obstruct road or rail, you need not to go to your district magistrate or superintendent of police or Jantar Mantar or Ramlila Maidan. So without doing any negative things, still you will be in position to change everything by making use of this. So now 1 plus 9 has become 10 today.
Yes.
Tomorrow
Definitely.
10 and 10 people will be making 100. Third day it will be 1,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, 1 crore, 10 crore and 100. So on the 9th day we will be 100 crore, right? Now you will say, ki, sir, you had been DGP for 7 long years. Do you feel that public will be joining like this and we will become 100 crore on 9th day?
Very soon, as people should take it in a very serious way and possible. As you told, a lot of people should also be associated with us and should take this step, not just
I will explain in a little differently. Say on the 9th day, 9 crore people, by adding 10 people on the 9th day, 90 crore are being added on the 9th day. That is the 90% of total 100 crore.
Yes.
It means 90 crore people, they have to just join without even adding any one additional person.
Yes.
And in turn, you are getting a transformed country.
Yes, definitely.
So for that, is it difficult to really join?
Not at all.
If we join, 90% work is done, right?
Yes. Absolutely.
Now 9 crore people, those who had joined on 8th day, they have to add the 10 people on the 9th day. So only 9% people have to add 10 people. Only 10 people.
Adding 10 people is not at all a big task.
So if you are adding one member from your family, one from your relative, one from your friend, one from your neighbors, one from young person, one from 10 people is not a big job, and that is to be done only by the 9% of the people. 90% people need not do anything, right? Now remaining 1%, 90 lakh people, they are having the 2 days, so they have to add 20 people. 9 lakh people will be having 3 days, so they have to add 30 people. 90,000 people will be having 4 days, so they have to add 40 people. 9,000 people will be having 5 days, so they have to have 3 people. Only 900 people will be having the 6th day, so they have to add 60. Only 9 people will be having 7 days, so 9 people have to add 70 people. And only one person has to add the mathematics has to add the only basically 90%, right? And I have already added almost 1,500 odd people.
Oh my goodness!
Right?
Wonderful. That can be done. Yes.
So basically, is it difficult?
No.
And I am not asking anybody.